I don't think people understand how easy it is to mess up a weight loss journey. Even tiny mistakes can undo all your hard work. Let's fix that. The first big mistake: skipping meals. It might seem like eating less is the answer, but skipping meals actually slows down your metabolism and can make you binge later. Your body needs fuel to burn fat, so keep those healthy meals coming. Mistake number 2, relying only on exercise. Don't get me wrong, working out is awesome, but weight loss mostly happens in the kitchen. You can't outrun a bad diet. Trust me, many have tried. And the third mistake? Setting unrealistic goals. If you expect to drop 10 pounds in a week, you're setting yourself up for disappointment, and maybe even giving up altogether. Go for progress, not perfection. Slow and steady wins the race. So, are you guilty of any of these? Or maybe you know another weight loss mistake people make all the time. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories, and let's help each other out. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real talk on health and fitness. Let's crush those goals together.